Hi everyone. I just came in from outside. It is 50 some degrees in Washington, D.C. It feels like spring. And you know what? It is spring. It's spring real estate in Washington, D.C. I don't know where you are, but right now the interest rates are at an all-time low and there is nothing for buyers to buy. I got 2 emails today. Hey Marjorie, what do you have coming on the market in this price range in this neighborhood? Hey Marjorie, what do you have coming on this price in this rate? Anyway, I want to encourage you. If you are a seller, it is not March, it is not April, it is February, and we are thick in the spring real estate market. Buyers are out there. There are 1 to 6 buyers for every house. Houses are selling for good numbers. They're selling very quickly for good numbers. So I just want to encourage you, if you have a house to sell, you don't need to wait for the azaleas. You don't need to wait for it to be sunnier earlier. You need to get your house on the market and catch 1 or 6 of these buyers for your property. The market is super healthy. So maybe you don't have a place to go. Think about this. Get an offer with a long settlement date. Get an offer that's contingent on you going out to find the house of your dreams. But get on the market and hook that buyer. Get 1 to 6 buyers for your house right now that will pay you a big price because there's nothing else to buy. All right, I'm Marjorie Dick Stuart. I got so excited I forgot to say who I am. It's Tuesday at 2. Thanks for watching What's Working Now. Tune in again next Tuesday. If you've got an idea, something in the marketplace you're dealing with, you need a good agent to run it by, talk about, hire, that would be me, Marjorie Dick Stuart. 240-731-8079 or marjorie@marjoriedickstewart.com. So tune in next week, Tuesday at 2, and please tell your friends.